I was probably more about the ride.
Courtesy of those around you.
Yeah, but now I'm older, so I enjoy the scenery. I enjoy riding a train and not really going anywhere. You know what I mean?
It's a good first part too. Not overwhelming, but like fun. So you'll gear up for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which will be totally different. And you'll be like, I miss Animal Kingdom.
But I like the details and everything here.
I like the sights, the sounds, the smells, the feeling like you're in a whole different area of the country. Like, I don't know where I'm from, Asia, Africa, you know? It's pretty impressive.
Once again, welcome to the Wildlife Express. My name is Ashley. Now here, Dr. Husband, we have Dylan. He'll be your engineer, taking us safely over to Rafiki's Planet Watch. At Rafiki's Planet Watch, you're going to find the veterinary center, heading here, small animal exhibits, character beat, great wilderness explorers, and much more. It is only brown numbers on your map. It's the one and only stop of our train. The train's the only way to get to and from this area of the park. And one last time, we are on our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch.
I'm bad.
Now these buildings we are passing are some of the backstage homes of our Kilimanjaro safari animals. They include the lions, the warthogs, and the livestock. Now if our keepers ever need to bring these animals into these homes, they bring them in using audio cues. The audio cues might be a handful of rocks, two wood blocks together, or a triangle. But it signals the specific set of animals. It's their turn to come in to receive any veterinary care they may need or additional feeding. The homes are currently empty for the animals are out in the savannah. So if you're looking for the lions, the giraffes, or the elephants, you'll need to ride the Kilimanjaro Safari. It's a 22-minute jeep adventure through the African savannah where you're going to find all of our large African animals.
And that might be something that you want to write. That's fine. But it's cool. I don't know. Once is more than enough, but it's a fun
The next set of homes will be for the fastest land animal, the cheetah, the largest land animal, the African elephant, and our crash white rhino.
white rhino. I'm bored. I have the most boring life. But I think animals think.
So they bring him in.
Now as we come around this corner and you look across that canal, you'll see a very large mural. Underneath that mural is our one and only destination, Rafiki's Planet Watch. We're going to find the veterinary center, heading yard, small animal exhibits, care, meet, greats, wilderness explorers, and much, much more. We are now about to complete our journey, so please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full pit stop. Don't worry about those corridors. Our friendly station staff will get them for you. But as they do so, and if you're traveling with a personal stroller, please do not unfold that stroller until you cross this long yellow safety line off the train platform. Once again, thank you for riding the Wildlife Express, and I hope you have a wild Easter day here at
We
Disney
get
Animal
our
Kingdom.
turtle
And every
fish.
Rafiki's Planet Watch, our trains will be running every 5 to 7 minutes, take you back whenever you're done exploring here. Again,